welcome to Millside. So today we're talking about the Artemis In-Line Hop Infusion System, proudly manufactured by Millside here in South Africa. This product is available for export. You can drop us a mail info at millside.co.za if you want to see this product in your country. We'll send you the relevant information. So Artemis consists of a 4-inch 304 stainless steel chamber with a female camlock welded into the system. It's super easy to get in and give it a clean. The top lid has various configurations, but as standard it comes with a male camlock fitting, but you can request, depending on volumes, different fittings on the actual top of the lid, and that will allow you to screw in different fittings into the system. So we're using standard triclover fittings here, 4-inch, the lid depending which option. Gasket. Now your gasket obviously is perishable. At some point this will need to be replaced. The actual innards are all 304 stainless steel. This is a diffusion plate that fits on top of the basket. Now the basket runs the entire length. The diffusion plate basically is pushed down by the lid, creates a seal around the top that distributes the hot wort evenly over the whole chamber. Now one thing to remember, guys, please, this system does carry a warning. It's laser etched into the actual system over here, and it tells you caution, hot surface. So please remember, when you're working with hot wort and you're wanting to handle the system, you do need to put gloves on. So once you've set everything up, you can then put, I've actually got 320 grams of hops here, but let's just chuck that in. Now you can use pelleted or cone hops. Okay, so that's pretty much where 320 grams sits. We don't recommend more than 300 roughly. You have to allow for expansion, the same with your sort of whole hops, and you can shove as many hops as you want in there, but do allow a little bit for expansion. Obviously if you're using this in conjunction with rice hulls to get the most out of the filtration, then it's going to be less. So you would need to layer rice hull, some hops, rice hull hops, etc. You can also use this in conjunction with a brew bag to really get the most out of the filtration, to get that super clean, clear wort into the fermenter. So once you've got everything in place, pretty simple, just reinstall the gaskets. You can see it doesn't take a lot of effort to get this together. Pop your clamp on, close the system up. Your inlet is at the top, and again, super simple with cam locks. You can use silicone hose. A 16mm with a 12mm ID heavy duty hose is ideal for this. You don't want to impede flow, so that gives you a good rate. You can still then connect it in line with a counterflow, and your standard pump should be more than sufficient. Again, the pump inlet on your brew system, most of them will have cams, some don't, but again, you'd have to get that wort into whichever connection you're using, as long as it's just getting it through into Artemis. The outflow then, obviously from here, I've got this connected on a counterflow, but let's just take that off. So let's say, for argument's sake, you don't want to add additional hops, you just want good filtration to get a clean, clear wort into the fermenter. You could just fill this with rice hulls, feed this back into your brewing system over here, or run that through the counterflow into the fermenter to really get that super clean, clear wort. This can be used at any point during the mashing, afterwards during the hop stand, when you're cooling it down. It makes no real difference. You can obviously choose that option that you want to use it on and really get the most out of those hops. Once everything is now done, let's assume you've run it through the counterflow. I would advise just putting this system slightly higher than the actual counterflow. Obviously the outlet's at the bottom, so you want to drain all of this out of here and make or get the most use out of all the wort that you've got in the system. To clean, again, you're going to just disconnect all the pipe work, open the top up. Again, that's all super simple. Gasket out, take this out, you're going to toss that out, wash it off. Again, you can stick your hand in here, give it a good clean out, dry it off, and it's ready for the next job. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. You can see the product on Millside website, www.millside.co.za. Go have a look there. The pricing, everything's on there. If you want to contact us to become a distributor of this product, give us a call again or drop us a mail. I hope that was informative. I hope you enjoy using the system. Give us your feedback, let us know your thoughts, and we'll see you on the next video. Happy brewing.